Good evening and welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 14th of December 2018. Okay guys, we have a successful day with Forex trading. I'm talking about the signals in the form of report that I sent to the subscribers in the morning. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to 200forexwebs.com, then first of all subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the daily Forex trading analysis updates from my site. So now let's get started with USD Canadian dollar and USD Canadian dollar with a bullish expectation from 133,745 and 134,021 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry it has started to make a bullish momentum, and finally the market almost hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, which was 134,021. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on USD Canadian dollar, they must have collected a very decent amount of profit. At next, I'm going to talk about Euro USD. This is the first signal of my signals report. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So the first signal of my signals report with a bearish trend from 113,460 and 113,179 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop today appeared on Euro USD, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today, because Euro was supposed to go down today, and with the grace of God we have seen that it has already went down. Now let's talk about the third signal of my signals report, which is Great Britain Pound USD. Similarly, I have supplied the bearish signal for Pound USD. 126033 was the bearish entry and 125388 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the pound breaks the level from here, and finally it hit the target price 125388, and after that it has rebounced. However, if you have traded the signal expired 100% with no problem. Okay, now let's talk about Pound JPY. This was also a very interesting trade. I was looking the weaker momentum on Great Britain Pound JPY. That is why I have given the bearish signal from 143,153 and 142,250 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from this entry we have seen a significant downward trend, and finally Great Britain Pound JPY is down. And hopefully you all traders who are subscribed to my signals report, that those subscribers who receive the signals report through email, they must have made a massive profits. At last, I'm going to talk about the USDCHF. A bullish trend was supplied from 0.99467 and 0.99746 was the target price. And again, the same thing from the entry, we have seen a significant upward trend, and with no problems the market hit the target price. Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about the trading system. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. So let me explain. Whenever you see that the market has came into the top red boundary, and if it starts making the bearish pattern, then you can sell the pair. This is the best example that the market went inside the top red boundary, it started making bearish candles, then the market is down. And whenever you see that the market went inside the blue or red boundary and it starts making the bullish pattern, then you can buy the pair. And if the scalper gives you the white arrow in the lower red boundary, then you need to trust this one and you can buy the pair. And if it gives the red arrow in the lower red boundary, then you will ignore the red arrows here and you will ignore the white arrows at the top red boundary. Otherwise there is no problem with the scalper. The scalper is a very perfect indicator to trade. Just you need to use it with the combination of the other indicator that is showing you with the red boundaries. So guys, this is all about the traders analysis. We have done our week in a very exceptional manner, and hopefully you traders must have made the profits. And hopefully maybe I'm going to update the next video about the Telegram. Okay guys, so if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service that is sent through email, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.